Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about ICP, see what is happening with the price of internet computer, and of course, what we could be expecting as we go further into the bull market. I know a lot of people are starting to kind of get fed up, and that is a very, very interesting time, especially when the market is starting to heat up once again. And I understand, especially as a newcomer coming to the space, when you're not seeing coins popping off, it could be a little bit, annoying. Why is the coin not pumping? Why is it not going like Caspa? Why is it not moving like Solana? And those are fair statements to make, especially when you're coming new to the markets. But let me tell you guys, there was a time where I was exactly like you guys, and you really need to understand how this market works. Not every single coin is going to move at the same time. Diversification is key, and this is what I try to teach you guys on a day-to-day basis. And if this is your first time coming into the space and you're looking at your portfolio right now and you only see internet computer sitting in there, you're making the biggest mistake right then and there. You need to diversify your portfolio so you can maximize your gains and of course minimize your risk as well. But let's take a look at what's happening with ICP right now, because we have seen over the past few days the overall market turning into the bullish trajectory. But what exactly is happening with ICP right now? That is the question that you guys probably have. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price, $12.20, down about 1.3% in both comparatives, Bitcoin and USD comparative. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting at $5.7 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $62 million. So as far as the market cap is concerned, we have seen the market cap coming down a little bit over the past few days, that kind of explains what exactly is going on right now. Just based off of that should really tell you what's happening with ICP. We're not seeing as much of momentum coming in. We're seeing a little bit of low momentum, but one thing I want you guys to be very, very clear about is, like I said, there will be times where you do see these stagnant moves. But take a look at Caspa. I want you guys to pause the video and go look at my Caspa update. We did see Caspa do very similar moves, in terms of like massive retracements and then having a breakout and an extensive breakout, and we have seen a similar thing playing out for ICP before as well. And this is where your patience really is going to get tested. And in my personal opinion, again, this is just my opinion, only time is going to tell, but I think that we're going to see ICP popping off like it has over the past few months, once the traction really comes into play. Because right now what you're seeing happening with dominance is dominance either goes up, it goes down, and it has really been causing a lot of major altcoins to kind of get manipulated in a way. Dominance is currently sitting at around 54.5%. Bitcoin, looking amazing, to be quite frank with you. BTC went all the way up to $71,000. We did see a rejection. Again, it should not be a surprise. You can clearly see a significant resistance coming in our way, but overall things are looking great for Bitcoin. We're very, very close to all-time highs. So as far as BTC is concerned, things are looking really good. As we just have started off the month of June, we could not have asked for anything better. But now if you're focusing on ICP, you're not even seeing a retest around the $13.64, and this has caused a lot of people to get annoyed. What exactly is going on? And actually I have read some people saying they've already given up on ICP. So this is where the importance comes into play. I try to teach you guys this on a day-to-day basis. At the end of the day, everyone has the right to make their own decisions. We don't make any decisions for anyone. I don't make decisions for anyone. That's your core responsibility. You're the one who's supposed to be doing the due diligence. I'm just here talking about the price and what my personal opinion is. But not everything is gonna go like meme coins. A lot of people right now are getting annoyed at the fact that you're seeing meme coins with zero utility. At the end of the day, they don't provide any use case whatsoever. But of course the gains on meme coins are insane. So this is why they're so important to have in the portfolio for a lot of people. A lot of major analysts are actually adding meme coins in their portfolios just so they can hedge against risk. Because as of now, if you've been paying attention to the crypto space, we're seeing the major projects that bring utility, that actually have use cases, fundamentally, and of course if you just look at fundamentally, some of these projects are crazy good. But you're looking at meme coins that are just launched out of thin air that are just exploding, and that's just the state of the market. We saw something similar happen last cycle, but there will come a time, this profit that's being made in the meme coin market is going to flow back into major altcoins. And I have a feeling ICP is going to feel that love. Right now, what you're starting to see is that accumulation, but we're still holding very, very strong above that key support line. Did see a little bit of a bounce after that rejection. After that retest. Obviously, you can see this for yourself just based off of the daily time frame. You do see as the price of ICP is trying to break towards the upside, we do have resistance literally at the $12.23. If this is able to clear out, we pretty much have thin air, guys, all the way up to the $12.86, and then of course the major resistance at $13.64. And look at it in the past, we've seen several pullbacks before as well, and you've seen the recovery, and I have a feeling we will see once again that type of momentum flowing back into ICP. The best way to kind of look at it is just see how good it's holding above this $11.81 support line. If we were to see this support line get broken below, that would have been a huge indication that the overall support right now for ICP is just not there, but that's not the case. You need to take a look at it from that point of view, and of course diversify your portfolio. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.